Hello, AllHome subscribers! It's me again, Teddy Manuel, and we are back at AllHome Nomo for Dinnerware from AllHome. In today's episode, we are about to recreate Sam YG and Essa Santos' wedding reception's tablescape. In the last episode, we were able to create an impressive tablescape without having to break the bank. But if you will be going all out on your wedding celebration, then here are some classic tips for you. For today's episode, I gathered all my items here at AllHome with lots of gold, purples, and blue because our inspiration, guess what? It's peacock. So first, you have to cut the floral foam based on the size of your vases. Let's start. So make sure you have enough space from the rim of the vase and your floral foams so that you have an ample space to stick your flowers. To start off with my light blue hydrangeas. When your hydrangeas are started to wilt, what you can do is simply soak the head of the hydrangeas on the water upside down. So maybe like an hour or so. So when you're doing a flower arrangement, when in doubt, it's always safe to have a grouping arrangement to make the arrangement cohesive in terms of the look. So something like this. So we have a nice arrangement. So the arrangements are asymmetrical. Then I do some nice groupings of colors, especially when you're working on 3 or more colors on your centerpiece. It's nice to group them all together. Sam YG and Essa's wedding were inspired by peacock. I'm so happy that here at AllHome, I found something. It's like a bird, but it's a swan. We're gonna create the head of the peacock using this palay-palay in teal blue. Let's spruce it up a bit. So let's make a peacock head. So it's like the crown of the peacock. So yes, when you go around or looking for inspirations, you have to have an open-minded, so you don't really have to stick to, to get the peacock to create the look. So just go to AllHome and I'm sure there's something for you to recreate the look. And then we're gonna have some cluster arrangement using this geometric vase with a tinge of gold on it. It's very luxurious and glam, so I think it will work with our look. It's reasonably priced as well. So we just put some water on it, almost half, fill it up with water. So most of you are asking, Teddy, what can we put in the water so that the flower will last longer? For me, I think the best is to put maybe 2 or 3 drops of bleach or Zone Rocks so that it's a kind of antibacterial, so it will help your flower last longer. For some, they put a pinch of sugar. It also helps. It's kind of like a food for the cut flowers. Alright, so after this, we will be going to start the most important part, our tablescape. Alright, we're done with our flower arrangement. I'm so happy and I want to share with you guys what I found here at AllHome Nomo. So they are complete from the glasswares. That they have a nice purplish color glasswares, which is in line with our peacock theme. And then check this out, a nice blue drinking glass. You know what? Some of the drinking glass, we also use this for the candle holder. So later on, you can use this as our candle holder. Of course, you can also use this for a drinking glass. And a nice cutleries in gold. And amazing, this is my favorite. This is like lilac charger plates. And the first charger plate that I saw in lilac. So all here at AllHome Nomo. I'm gonna break the gold theme by using these gray plates and dinner plates and salad plates. And we have some accessories that you can also find here at AllHome Nomo. So we have a nice like vintage or an Indian lanterns and a lot of gold accessories like these candelabras, this nice geometric candle holders, and here we have also a nice wrought iron or candle holders that will complement our setup for today. Alright, let's start with our tablescape. So when you're doing a tablescape, it's important to think of a layer. Whatever the occasion, be it a wedding, a debut, or a company party, or a simple dinner, you want to upgrade, nothing embodies celebration more than well-designed dining tables. With so many potential ideas for our tablescapes, there is a lot to consider in choosing what you want and turning it into a gorgeous reality. Add sparkle to every mealtime and enjoy these tablescapes brought to you by AllHome and of course yours truly, Teddy Manuel. Hope I was able to inspire and get you hyped up in creating your own tablescapes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AllHome's channel. We have prepared a lot of home tips for you and can't wait to share them. See you again soon and stay safe!